Yeah, hello everyone. Day 172 here at Industrial Fabrication Company. Again, out of order here, doing this a day late, but we had a good close out to the week and a lot more good improvements. So, really just kept the ball rolling. But from a project standpoint, we have the customer coming in today, this Friday, to inspect these before the plates go on. So they want to be able to, we assume, check the placement of all of these and make sure they're welded properly before a plate goes on top. But we got the handrail on so they can see what that looks like. Have this one over here done, and we have the stand up there. It's done. And then we also were getting started on the frames for UW. That'll be going to the bottom of the ocean and protecting us all from earthquakes, or at least helping us stay safe in the event one happens and give us some warning. But we were working on these. So these came in just due to the design. It was hard to get this completely flat. So we were, ground it down a little bit so it's more flush and it's going to look better. And by the time we weld it all up, it's going to be very strong. But we also realized, kind of a classic engineer mistake, this piece needs to go into this piece, but it doesn't actually fit. So we need to cut out, and then we'll fill that back up with weld once it's done. But just kind of a funny thing there, but we'll provide that feedback to the customer. If they use this design again, we can get that fixed. Yeah, and then, there's lots of other small things, getting holes drilled and fiberglass. We were also able to get some parts for another job for UW dropped off early that they wanted ahead of the rest of the project. So we were able to, despite some delays in getting material, we were able to work with our vendors and get things pulled in and actually delivered it before we initially expected. So that was really cool to see everyone work well together on that. Yeah, then on a improvement side, some good stuff. We've realized, so we have this cart that we've put a pallet on, that we put the box down for the benders, and then we put the back in there and then box it up. But we were having to then push it from down here. Well, we realized, well, what if we just put two pipes in there and have this? Now we can have handles that we can move it around in, but we can also easily remove them if we need. So that was good. And have some good improvements, which I'll try and interject in some videos to kind of show on our bid sheet how we kind of used to do things, and having things in different files and summary pages, and you have to go and reference different things, and combining that all into one document and making it more clear within our new bid sheet. That really helping. I've kind of been working with that this week. I found it very helpful and excited to get Andrew and Dan's feedback. But we also made a change. We give a little, even when we make an order and it's going to get picked up with UPS, we still give them a signal, because sometimes it doesn't go to the right driver, or they come at the wrong time of day when they're not ready, we're not ready. So we have this sign that we've just taped up on the window before, but realized, like, hey, let's do this a little nicer. So Andrew printed up this so we can just go and slide it in, and now we have a signal that as UPS drives by here frequently, they can see, oh, they want us, and can come in and pick up what we need. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But a really good week. Really making good progress, and really happy to see what's been going on. Yeah, I think that's all. Sign off for now.